Car insurance isn't one size fits all, especially if you're a high-risk driver. That's why companies like Infiniti exist. With minimum coverage rates starting at $36 per month in California, they're appealing. But what about the bigger picture? How does Infiniti perform when it comes to claims and customer satisfaction? In this video, we're diving deep into Infiniti, a company specializing in coverage for high-risk drivers. We'll break down everything you need to know about Infiniti, from their rates to their coverage options. We'll also discuss what real customers have to say about having Infiniti as a provider. This video will give you an inside look at Infiniti car insurance. But guess what? You don't have to become an insurance expert to find the best fit. FreeAdvice.com is here to help. We make comparing quotes from multiple companies a breeze, so you can find the coverage that works for you, not the other way around. Now let's gear up and get into the nitty-gritty of Infiniti car insurance. Let's start by getting to know Infiniti as a provider. If you've been racking up tickets or accidents and getting coverage feels like a punishment, Infiniti car insurance is a good option for you. They specialize in non-standard insurance, which means they cater to drivers with a trickier driving history. The company holds an A- financial strength rating from AM Best and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. However, it's important to know that Infiniti is only available in California. So if you're cruising down Route 66 outside the Golden State, you must explore other options. In 2018, Kemper acquired Infiniti and now refers high-risk drivers in California to Infiniti for new policies, since they no longer write or renew them under the Kemper name. Now, even for California drivers, Infiniti might not always be the cheapest choice. That's why we recommend shopping around. Here at FreeAdvice.com, we've got a free quote comparison tool that makes it super easy. Just enter your zip code and answer a few quick questions, and in just a few clicks, you can compare rates from multiple companies. No more getting stuck with the first offer that comes your way. But if you're starting to think Infiniti might be the right fit, let's take a closer look at their business ratings. We've touched on their financial strength, but there's more to explore. So let's dive into the details. Business ratings are like a report card for insurance companies, giving you a sense of their financial health, how they handle claims, and what customers think of their experience. Infiniti ratings include an A- with AM Best, which is a solid sign that they're likely to have the cash on hand to pay out a claim. Customer satisfaction is a mixed bag. J.D. Power gives them a 790 out of 1,000, which is just average. And Consumer Reports throws out a mixed score of 70 out of 100. This means Infiniti has more complaints than some other insurance companies. But that doesn't necessarily mean they're bad. It's just something worth considering. So what's the verdict? See how Infiniti stacks up against other companies in your area by checking out FreeAdvice.com. We've got a free quote comparison tool that lets you enter your zip code and get rates from multiple insurers in just a few clicks. It's a quick and easy way to find the best deal for your situation. But hold on, before you write off Infiniti car insurance based on customer reviews or ratings, let's take a moment to explore what they actually bring to the table. When it comes to car insurance, Infiniti, backed by Kemper, offers a variety of options designed to fit a variety of drivers' needs. Whether you're looking for California's minimum liability requirements or comprehensive protection, Infiniti has it. Infiniti car insurance plans include essentials like liability and collision to handle repairs for your vehicle regardless of fault. Plus, there's comprehensive coverage for non-collision incidents like theft or natural disasters. Infiniti also provides uninsured or underinsured motorist, UM or UIM, coverage, medical payments, commonly called MedPay, and personal injury protection, PIP. Need extras? Infiniti has you covered with options like rental car reimbursement, roadside assistance, and custom parts and equipment, CPE, coverage for those who've added aftermarket parts to their ride. For high-risk drivers, they offer SR22 insurance. Of course, other companies may offer similar perks, but that's why FreeAdvice.com is so helpful. Our free quote generator lets you enter your zip code and get rates from multiple companies in just a few clicks. You'll be comparing a list of quotes tailored to your exact needs, vehicle, and driver profile. Now let's also see what else Infiniti can offer you. Infiniti takes roadside assistance to the next level. The Infiniti Driver Club. It's available 24/7. Whether you're dealing with an empty gas tank, a dead battery, or a locked out, their services are just a call away. While membership is included in your Infiniti auto insurance rate, you'll only pay for the assistance you use, keeping things flexible and straightforward. Beyond roadside assistance, Infiniti caters to both personal and commercial consumers. They offer life insurance with policies ranging from term life insurance to investment-oriented options designed for long-term financial growth. With choices like these, Infiniti aims to cover more than just your vehicle. But before you jump on board with Infiniti, shop around and see what other companies have to offer. Here at FreeAdvice.com, we can help. Use our free quote comparison tool. Enter your zip code, and in just under 10 minutes, you can get rates from multiple providers near you. Get a clear picture of your options and find the best deal for your specific needs with FreeAdvice.com. But before you make a decision, let's talk about cost. We'll break down the numbers for Infiniti car insurance so that you can get a better idea of what you might be looking at. Infiniti car insurance rates vary significantly based on age and gender, which is something to consider when deciding if it's the right choice for you. For younger, less experienced drivers, rates are much higher. A 16-year-old male is charged a whopping $726 a month for full coverage. But rates do go down a bit for 18-year-olds. Once drivers hit their mid-20s, the rates begin to level out. Those aged 25 pay $63 for minimum coverage and about $193 for full coverage a month. For older age groups, Infiniti's rates are some of the most competitive. For example, a 60-year-old female only has to pay $48 for minimum coverage and $141 for full coverage a month. Remember, these are average rates. Your actual cost will vary depending on factors like your driving history, location, and the coverage you choose. To get the most accurate quote for your situation, use our free quote tool at FreeAdvice.com. To get started, just plug in your zip code, answer a few prompts, and then boom, you can explore a list of personalized options. It's really that simple. Take matters into your own hands. Just enter your info one time and get quotes from all the best insurance providers in your area. Now let's go over how your driving history can affect your insurance rates. For drivers with a clean record, Infiniti full coverage car insurance only costs $158 a month, which proves to be very competitive. Geico and State Farm lead the pack with the most affordable rates for a clean driving record at $114 and $123 monthly. And Liberty Mutual is the most expensive, charging $248. This is $1,080 more a year than Infiniti. Keep in mind, rates spike quickly with incidences on your record. A single accident bumps Infiniti's monthly rate to $245, which is a significant jump, but still cheaper than Liberty Mutual's $335. If you get a DUI, Infiniti's rate climbs to $335, which is higher than Geico's $309, which is still considerably lower than Liberty Mutual's $447 a month after a DUI. See how important it is to shop around? Check out FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes and find the best coverage today. It's fast and easy, and you can save hundreds on your car insurance. Now, if you're thinking about Infiniti and you think it would be a good match, but the rates feel a little steep, don't worry. You can lower those costs by tapping into discounts they provide. Curious to know what's available? Let's take a closer look. There are a variety of Infiniti insurance discounts to help you lower your bills, and these savings add up quickly. For instance, bundle your policies with Infiniti and the multi-policy discount will save you 20%. If you pay your premium in full upfront, you can trim another 10% off. Students with good grades aren't left out. They qualify for Infiniti's Good Student Discount. They save 15%. Safe driving habits also pay off with Infiniti. Their Safe Driver discount reduces your premium by 10%, rewarding you for avoiding accidents and tickets. Even small choices like opting for paperless billing lowers your bill by 5%. And keep in mind, these are just some of the potential discounts. You could qualify for even bigger savings. Here's the good news. Figuring out your final price tag is easy. Go to FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote comparison tool today. And that's a wrap on our Infiniti car insurance review. We've covered how Infiniti stacks up against competitors, explored their rates across different scenarios, and highlighted some of the fantastic discounts that could help you save big. Whether you're a student, a safe driver, or someone insuring multiple vehicles, there's something for you. But wait, there's more. As we've stated, Finding the perfect car insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all deal, so explore FreeAdvice.com to unlock a world of options. Our free quote comparison tool lets you ditch the hassle and compare rates from multiple insurers, including Infiniti, all in just one place. Enter your zip code and answer a few questions. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It just takes you a second and it helps us continue creating content to guide you through the world of insurance. And if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, by joining our community, you'll stay up to date with expert insights, reviews, and tips to make smarter insurance decisions. We're here to simplify the process and keep you informed every step of the way. We'd also love to hear from you. Do you have personal experience with Infiniti Insurance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Whether it's a tip, story, or even a question, your input could help others make informed decisions. And don't forget to share this video with your friends or family members shopping for car insurance, especially if they're with Infiniti or another provider we mentioned. Your share could save someone time and money. Finally, don't miss out on our videos where two insurance giants fight it out for the #1 spot. Geico and Allstate duke it out, and you might be surprised at who wins. If Infiniti doesn't feel like the right fit, don't worry, there are plenty of options out there. In fact, one of these providers might be the perfect fit for you. Dive into Geico and Allstate's unique perks and find out how you could save as much as $1,600 a year on car insurance. Trust us, it's worth it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.